German government sources have disclosed a meticulously orchestrated plot by a group of 16 armed extremists to carry out a far-right coup in Germany, which included the startling plan to arrest and handcuff German Chancellor Olaf Scholz and his ministers during a full sitting of the Reichstag parliament. The shocking details of the audacious scheme came to light after a year-long investigation, uncovering a web of conspiracies that sent shockwaves throughout the nation. The extremist faction, reportedly belonging to the self-styled Patriotic Union of Reich Citizens, aimed to storm the Reichstag parliament on December 8, in an attempt to overthrow the constitutional order by force. Their envisioned coup included not only the arrest of top government officials but also the imposition of a new ruling council led by Heinrich XIII Prince Rus, an aristocrat known for his conspiracy theories. According to information obtained by authorities, the plan entailed parading Chancellor Scholz and other captured ministers on national television under the banner of the new regime. The coup plotters had intended to use this spectacle to win public support for their extremist cause. Recent revelations indicate that the coup was thwarted a mere 24 hours before it was set to be carried out. Up to 5,000 individuals, dubbed Reich citizens, were targeted to be activated through mobile messages on the planned day X, serving as a signal for the violent takeover. A joint effort by law enforcement agencies resulted in the arrest of Birgit Malsic-Winkemann, 58, a former far-right MP and judge in Berlin, along with Prince Rus and 20 other suspects. The accused are now facing charges of attempting to change the constitutional order by force and high treason. During the course of raids, investigators made a chilling discovery: a cache of 1,300 weapons, including a revolver and a semi-automatic rifle with 7,000 rounds, hidden in Malsic-Winkemann's residence. According to the Bild am Sonntag newspaper, the raid also revealed elaborate plans to dismantle key institutions of German democracy. Among the sinister plans were the purging of 2 million individuals, the shutdown of courts and media outlets, and the prohibition of political parties. The group's composition included former soldiers and officers from Germany's Special Forces Command, who were believed to be the key architects of the planned storming of the Reichstag and the takeover of strategic army installations. Leaked chatroom conversations uncovered the extent of the conspiracy, with Malsic-Winkemann allegedly divulging sensitive information about the whereabouts of Chancellor Scholz and other government officials within the parliament. The conspirators intended to establish a new power structure, with Malsic-Winkemann appointed as a formidable justice minister and a military arm headed by retired senior army officer Rüdiger von Pescatori, 70, under the direct authority of Prince Rus. Strikingly, plans even included the establishment of a department for transcommunication, led by an astrologer, tasked with handling spiritual and astrological matters. Financial investigations uncovered intriguing transactions, including a reported transfer of €50,000 from Prince Rus to Maximilian Ader, 63, a former army colonel implicated in the coup plot. The involvement of these individuals hints at the financial underpinnings of the conspiracy. While intercepted messages indicated an intention to establish ties with Russia after seizing power, Moscow has categorically denied any involvement or support for the coup plotters.